Rob, would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is Dr. Ravitesh. I'm the CEO and the Managing Director of the Conscious State. So I am working with Dr. Mike pertaining to this bioregenerative medicine. It's in an exclusive partner for India, wherein we wanted to ensure that we change the health scenario or the landscape of Indian subcontinent to how the disease index can be addressed with the bioregenerative medicine using the state-of-the-art bioregenerative medicine technology.
That sounds very interesting. I'm looking forward to going to India and having a look at what you're doing over there. And how did you like the seminar?
It was quite informative, and we have a significant amount of knowledge right now rather than when we have to actually start. Because right now we also know whenever we are designing the protocol, we also wanted to ensure what kind of supplements would facilitate the treatment very better and very faster. So now with the seminar, we got all the information about not only about the protocols or the stem cells.
So the doctors and Professor Mike's presentation were very informative.
Yeah.
And you learn about all our products,
Of course.
which were a few of them also, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good. Well, thank you for coming, and hopefully we see you again next year.
Cheers.
And see you soon in India.
Sure. Yeah.
Good.